On pound dollar for today, pound dollar we expect it to correct for a while here and then resume this climb upside, either first to form this flat and drop, or it will continue this momentum upside to complete this ABC structure before it to drop down. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on pound dollar, we want to watch this present correction they are making here. We expect them to give us a flat here and take off to the upside. So to expect from pound dollar. So also if we zoom to the 1-hour time frame on pound dollar, I want to watch this drop at any moment, turn and head towards retest here, and then one will drop before it to take off to the upside. This is the best setup we are looking at for today on pound dollar. So I want to watch out for that as they develop today. Buy setup on the pound dollar. So on euro pound for today, euro pound is in this buy momentum. I want to watch it continue this climb back towards this trend line and a possible breakout towards this ABC structure for it to drop down. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on euro pound, I want to watch on the 4-hour time frame so that we get this deep correction. And right now they are correcting here to give us one more spike upside. We want to watch that once they get to that top, as they can give us a flat structure here before they resume this buy momentum up. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame, on the 1 hour we see that they are correcting sideways here. Right now we want to watch them give us spike towards the top with this buy momentum. We want to watch out for this buy, the break of this trend back up. It's what we want to look out for today on euro pound. Buy setup to the upside. It's what to watch out for today. On pound Swiss for today, pound Swiss, we see this as a flat structure and we expect this to come tag the low or at least get to this level. For it to give us one more spike to see if it's making this ABC structure for more downside. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on pound Swiss, on the 4-hour time frame we expect this was the A wave correction and we expect that they have started in B downside. Once they tag this low, we want to watch out for the C to make this ABC flat here before they resume the drop to the downside towards this low. For us, it's what they're watching out for on pound Swiss. So we want to look out for development of flat and sells. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame on pound Swiss, on the 1 hour we see this as A wave and this was the start of the B wave. They've given us a flat correction here and they are dropping right now. So watch them drop more to the downside, tag this low, a potential reversal to complete the flat before more sales will come. On pound yen for today, pound yen we expect it to correctively drop back to this trend line level at least before we see if it gives us one more retest to make this ABC for it to drop down for us. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on pound yen, on the 4-hour we are watching this, we expect this to drop after this correction. We expect it to drop down to this trend line level for us at least. This is what we want to watch out for today on pound yen. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame, we want to watch that. At present they are attempting to give us a flat structure right now. Once they are through with this flat structure, we expect them to drop down to this trend line level. So once it gets here, I want to either close this trade or take break even for it, as it can reverse back up once more before the bigger drop comes through for us on pound yen. So I want to watch out for the sell on pound yen today. On pound Aussie for today, pound Aussie has been collectively climbing back towards this top. We expect them to drop back down to give us a flat structure here for more sales to the downside. That's what they expect, it's what we expect from pound Aussie. So if we zoom to the 4-hour time frame on pound Aussie, on the 4-hour we saw that they corrected here and gave one more spike upside. Right now they are dropping. We want to watch this correction for more sales to come through for us to the downside. On pound Aussie towards this low before we see if they will give us a C wave for more drops to come through for us. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame on pound Aussie, on the 1-hour time frame we see after this spike up they are correcting right now here. So we want to watch this sideways correction they are making here. Once they are through, we expect more sales to come through for us to the downside. We are looking for sales pound Aussie. So we want to watch out for those sales today as they develop to the downside. Pound card for today. Pound card is presently in this sideways correction back towards the top. So right now I want to watch this correct down before to resume this ABC flat they are attempting to make here for more drops to come through for us towards this low. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on pound card, we want to watch at present this climb upside. We expect this climb to give us sideways correction here before it will resume back. This attempt to make this ABC for us for more drops to come through for us. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame on pound card, we watch to see as this has given a retest of this top. So right now I want to watch it break through this trend, correct, and give us sales back downside. This is the trade reward we are watching out for today on pound card. Drop and correction to confirm the downside for us. That's what we want to watch out for today on pound card. So we're going to look out for that sale as it develops today. On pound New Zealand for today, pound New Zealand is seeing this aggressive upside structure. And right now, as it's still pushing up, we expect it's coming for this top. Once they tag that top, we expect them to reverse back downside for us on pound New Zealand. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame, we see on the 4-hour time frame, they gave this drop and they spike back upside. So watch them as after this correction, we expect they're forming a correction here for that final push to retest the daily top on pound card. So we want to watch it for a running flat here before that retest will come through. We are not interested in that, we're interested in the sale after the retest to the downside. So they're looking for on pound New Zealand sell to the downside. Using to 1-hour time frame also, we'll still watch out for that. After this correction here, one more spike will come through and the bigger drop complete this running.